Welcome to Allure. Ever find yourself tossing and turning, unable to fall into a deep, restful sleep? It's a common predicament, one that can leave you feeling drained and unproductive the next day. Good sleep isn't just about feeling refreshed. It's a vital part of our overall health and well-being. It helps our bodies repair and rejuvenate, keeps our minds sharp, and impacts every aspect of our lives, from mood to physical performance. Now imagine if there was a natural remedy, a simple mixture you could whip up right in your kitchen that could help improve your sleep. It sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? But sometimes the most effective solutions are the simplest ones. As we delve into the world of sleep and health, we will uncover one such remedy. Well, if you are among the many who struggle with sleep, this simple, natural mixture may be just what you need to drift off into a peaceful slumber. What if we told you that a simple mixture of honey and milk could be your ticket to a better night's sleep? Now, this might sound a bit too good to be true, but let's dive into the science behind it, shall we? Starting with honey, a golden delight packed with natural sugars. These sugars are not just sweet to taste, but they also play a pivotal role in our sleep cycle. They help regulate our blood sugar levels throughout the night, preventing those annoying midnight wake-ups. Honey, being a natural source of tryptophan, further aids in sleep. This amino acid gets converted to serotonin, the feel-good hormone, which in turn is converted into melatonin, the sleep hormones. Pretty neat, right? Now let's move on to milk, a staple in most households. Milk is chock full of goodness, but what makes it a star player in our nightcap are two key components. Tryptophan and calcium. Tryptophan, as we just learned, is an amino acid that promotes sleep. Calcium aids in the processing of tryptophan, making it even more effective. So when you combine honey with milk, you're not just creating a comforting warm drink. You're crafting a powerful sleep aid that harnesses the natural benefits of these two ingredients. A sleep potion that's not only effective, but also delicious. By combining these two ingredients, you can create a powerful sleep aid that's not only effective, but also delicious. Now, how do we go about combining these two ingredients to create our sleep-promoting mixture? Well, let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to warm up a cup of milk. The key here is to heat it to the point where it's warm but not boiling. You want it hot enough to dissolve the honey, but not so hot that it scalds your tongue. Think of a cozy, relaxing bath rather than a steamy sauna. Once your milk has reached the ideal temperature, it's time to add the magic ingredient. A tablespoon of honey is all you need. This golden elixir, with its natural sweetness and comforting flavor, is the perfect complement to the creamy milk. As you stir in the honey, watch as it swirls and dissolves into the warm milk, turning it into a rich, inviting concoction. But here's the important part. You don't want to just gulp it down. Oh no, this mixture should be savored. Take a moment to appreciate the warmth, the sweetness, the soothing textures. Let it gently wake up your senses before lulling them back to sleep. For the best results, this mixture should be consumed warm, around 30 minutes before bed. This gives your body enough time to digest it and let the sleep-enhancing properties work their magic. It's as simple as that. A warm, soothing drink that's ready in minutes and could lead to hours of restful sleep. Enjoy and sweet dreams. So to recap on this sleep-promoting natural remedy, we've learned how to create a soothing mixture using just a few simple ingredients: honey, apple cider vinegar, and Himalayan pink salt. Each of these ingredients not only contributes to the delicious taste of the mixture, but also offers a plethora of health benefits. Honey, a natural sweetener, helps boost your immune system, while apple cider vinegar aids in digestion. Himalayan pink salt, on the other hand, is known for its ability to reduce stress and promote a more restful sleep. To make this mixture, simply combine these ingredients in a glass of warm water and drink it 30 minutes before bedtime. The key here is consistency. Make this a part of your nightly routine for the best results. Remember, good sleep is crucial for overall health and well-being, and this natural remedy can help you achieve just that. Here's to a good night's sleep, naturally and deliciously.